life here is great balance of modern living in a timeless Gothic architecture among neighbors who are evolved and empowered, right? It's a brilliant situation of life where you are having the best of every facet of life that makes you grow.
So as a young couple who was just married then, looking out for a home in a city like Mumbai, the Hiranandani choice was truly a big decision for us, and we had to stretch ourselves, but it was an aspirational place to be.
There definitely was a class about it, which was something that really impressed me.
The moment I saw Powai Hiranandani, I said, we can live here.
If you really ask me about transformation, I was working for Jet earlier in the year 1997, and that is the time I used to feel I'm going to a place which is not like Bombay.
What I was missing the most in Mumbai city was you lost your touch with the nature, and there was only concrete jungles all around you. So the first thing that strikes you when you enter the Hiranandani complex is the greenery and the closeness to the nature.
The development has sort of not in any way adversely affected the quality of life in the township. The green which has been remained is still very impressive. It's good enough.
Actually, the forest is like a hidden jewel, unique. You can go for a walk at 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, and you feel like you are in Mahabaleshwar.
Basically, I have a naval background, so my dad was in the defense, and we always had this thing that wherever we lived, we had everything close by.
I want to compliment Hiranandani because what they have done here is what they created. We honestly don't need to go anywhere outside Powai.
Self-sufficient, got everything there, the best of the supermarkets, best of the schools, the hospital.
Almost every kind of shopping is available. The top restaurants have their branches here.
It's just everything there at one place, and what more you can ask for?
So it has been a really fulfilling and holistic experience when we came here. Going for any activity in the morning, or going for an evening walk, or going for a coffee in the night time. Very convenient and wholesome life,
Most of the places in Bombay I see is basically about residing, and there is nothing what one can do in his spare time. But Hiranandani is the only place where I have seen the entire area is being developed and the township has been given due importance to, which is very important and unique.
The complex has amenities and facilities that cater to all ages in your family, so you don't need to go anywhere.
See, we're coming from living outside India for 25 years. So we're used to nice clean pavements.
People will eat something, drink something, then they'll throw. But in Hiranandani you will not find the same visitor coming here behaves much better, because he looks around, he sees things are clean, so he also becomes a part of that. There is a parallel security system here, right, which is private. The Hiranandani commandos, they're there at a flicker for any emergency.
And that's what really makes a difference, because most of the builders would actually cut corners, and Hiranandani does not. In fact, they go out of their way to go beyond the expectations.
This township is actually like a melting pot, where I would say people from different walks of life, they come in and they're staying here. And not only, I would say Indians, but foreign nationals as well. Brotherhood kind of a thing, a family kind of, extended family kind of experience when you stay in Hiranandani.
New Year
This
is something to die for.
It gives a different sense, like you feel so proud, or you feel so happy and excited being in this whole complex that you enjoy. See this beautiful experience of the New Year, the way they have lit up the whole place. So that is amazing what Hiranandani does.
When Hiranandani is involved, you can close your eyes and commit your hard-earned money, because you know you will not be taken for a ride. In fact, you will get more than what is being promised.
We've loved it, our kids have loved it, and when we look back, those steps 18 years ago were well worth it.
Living in Hiranandani is like living in paradise. I would describe this as a jewel of Bombay.
The hospital, the complex, my children have grown up here. I have known no other place called home other than Hiranandani Powai.